Hi guys, I'm back with a video I'm very excited to be making. I subscribed to the Your Nail Lab monthly nail box by Makartt. I did the Luxe box, so you have the option of doing the regular box with it, which is $25 a month, and then the Luxe box is $35 a month, and you're supposed to get more, obviously. So to get started, you choose your box, the regular box or the Luxe box. And then every month, the nail stylists create a box just for you, and then it arrives at your doorstep. So yeah, like I said, I got the Luxe box, $35 box. This is my first box. I've heard some mixed reviews on the boxes. Some people saying they love it, other people saying they felt like they didn't get enough. So we'll see. If you want to see what I got in this month's Your Nail Lab box, keep on watching. Alright guys, so my nail desk is like constantly a mess now because I'm always making a set of press-ons, which I'll probably do a video about in the future. And then off to the side, I'm not quite sure if you can see it, but I have my new Chiara Sky Brown Pro lamp, which I was super excited to get. But let's go and undo this box. Okay, let's do the note first. It says, "Hey babe, this is a curated box of Makartt products from our nail stylists that we hope you love. When you create your nails with the contents of this box, don't forget to tag us at Makartt_official so we can share your beautiful designs with our community. Oh, and don't forget, if you like these items and want to purchase full kits, you can use code JUSTADDGLITTER for 15% off at Makartt. Hope you enjoy, from your nail stylist." And then it says Your Nail Lab. Let me check that you guys can see that. Yep, okay. And I like the box. It's very like simple and not too much. I can't tell. Okay, we're doing good on the camera still. So the first thing are these premium quality professional nail files by Makartt. They're black and washable. They're 122/40 grit, and it comes with 10. This is great just for I am almost a licensed nail tech, another story time that I keep saying I need to do. So it's great to have, always great to just have more files. And then there's these Makartt pump up nails in stiletto, long stiletto. And it gives instructions on how to apply. So these are just colored ones. I'm sure I could use them just like regular ones mostly, except I guess underneath it would be pink. So I could save these for special designs where they want a pink background. It looks like each size comes with multiple different colors, so like I think it'd be hard to do like all a hot pink or all like a peach. But it looks like it comes with glue on the inside, and yeah, I actually do use Makartt tips as my press-on tips right now. I probably will eventually upgrade to like Epres or something like that. Okay, so these are always nice to get. Galaxy Sticks by Makartt. 3 holographic mirror pen sets. Let's get my scissors, and there's instructions. Good thing I took my nails off because I did not want to break one. I also plan to do a nail room tour. I just want to get it finished set up. I just finished getting the chairs for it and stuff, so there will be plenty more coming to my channel. But anyways, yeah. Galaxy Sticks. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what the instructions are. File, buff, and clean your nails. Apply a layer of base coat to set base and cure. Apply a layer of top coat and cure. Dab the Galaxy Stick of your choice on the nail. Finish off with a layer of top coat and cure for 2 minutes. So I think it's kind of like a chrome powder. And it looks like it comes with this gold one, I think it's just black, and then like a silver, and they're all like iridescent. That's super cool, something to try. And it comes with more instructions on the inside. And then there is this nail extension gel, UV and LED quick building nail gel. There's no instructions with this one, other than like curing instructions. Okay. So it comes in Is this the same as their polygel? Nail extension gel. It doesn't say, but it's in the same bottle as their polygel. Let's see. It looks very similar, and it is a purple color, just like the outside. So it's super cute. I have a couple kits of their polygel, so it'd be nice to try it. I have the color already ready, and I think the teardrop shows the color, so I just wasn't sure if it was supposed to be clear or not. Okay. And then there are some Makartt dual forms for the nail extension gel system. 12 sizes, 10 pieces of each side, and extra long. I'm assuming most dual forms come in like a square shape. So let's open it up. So we won't need to keep the boxes. Makartt dual forms. I have a couple of their dual forms. Oh my god, these are long though. Yeah, so these are for like if you want to create like super long sets. That's always nice to have different sizes. I honestly, the ones I have that came with the polygel kit weren't my favorite. They're a very awkward size. Okay. Oh, and some more press-ons. It looks like it comes with like different colors and sizes with like, so like one size comes with a pink and a gold, so you can mix and match it however you want. And this is by Awesome Color, which I believe is an extension of Makartt. So some more press-ons, and this is the Beach Babe Nude and Bronze set. Okay. And then lastly, what is in here? It is gel polish. Let me get my swatch stuff set up and I will come back and swatch these for you guys. Alright, I am back with all of my swatching stuff. So it came with 4 colors. I don't know if this is from like a certain collection because it has like, you know, like watercolor in the background. But it looks like a blue, a purple, a glittery purple, and an orange. So let's see what they look like. I don't see any. Oh wait, so it's 10. Yeah. So 10209 is the blue color. It's very pretty. Okay, that is the blue color, 10209. I will cure that in a minute. I'll cure them all together. And there is this purple color, 10217. Ooh, this looks really pretty. Ooh, I like these colors. They're like, kind of like pastel, but, well, the blue is pretty pastel. Wouldn't necessarily say this is pastel purple, but it's like very spring color. And then the next is 10201, and it's like a glittery pink, I think. Oh no, maybe it's just silver. Looks like just a silver glitter. Okay. That's what that one looks like. Move these out of the way. Getting a bit closer. Next, I'm totally gonna clear my desk off. And the next one is 10202, and it is orange. I cannot tell if there's a glitter in that one. Yeah, it's shimmery. Alright, let me close my lamp, and then I will come back and give my first impressions of this box and all that, and show the colors more close up. Alright, so I'm back after curing the colors. This is what they all look like close up. Hopefully it's not blurry. So you get the blue, the purple, the silver glitter, and then the orange shimmer. So overall we got these 4 gel polishes, which by the way are 8 milliliters or 0.2 fluid ounces. We got the extra long dual forms, the long stiletto pump up press on nails, the Beach Babe Nude and Bronze set of press-ons, the Galaxy sticks, which I think are just like chrome sticks, these 10 files, I believe it was, yep, 10 files, and then the purple poly gel. So overall, I'm pretty pleased. I think for $35, this was a good deal. I really like that it's like different things that they're going to be putting together each month from Makartt, because I do like Makartt as a brand. So yeah, I'm super excited to keep getting boxes from this. I'm really pleased. I wish I could total up how much everything was. I'm sure I could have like researched on their website, but that's kind of annoying to do. Maybe I could open the box beforehand and do that for you guys if it's something you're interested in. Yeah, but overall, I'm super pleased. I can't wait to try all this stuff out. Like I said, I've tried the poly gel before, their dual forms, their nail files I've tried before. I've never tried these Galaxy sticks. And then I haven't tried their pump up press-ons or these press-ons. So there's some new stuff. I don't own anything specific, like I don't have this color. I don't have the same dual forms. So it was great. I don't have any of these colors or anything like that. I'm really pleased. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to be back in continuous from now on that I'm done with school and I'm finishing my licensing and I have so many story times to tell you guys. So I hope to be here from now on. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video and have a great day, guys. Bye.